Good morning YouTube, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, not the best weather today. There's like 90% chance of rain the whole day, like the entirety of the whole day. So I've got an easy day, like 2 hours easy ride, might make it 3 depending on how cold and wet it is. But for now I want to get this changed because that's a bit short. So we're heading to the club and there I might meet some teammates depending on if they organize the ride or not, but we'll find out once we get there. There's not much in the way of scenic stuff today. Basically clouds and wet roads. So for me personally, the worst part about riding in the rain is the initial getting wet process. After that, once you're wet, you kind of stay wet. Side note, it's quite hard to do an easy ride when the locals bring you up a thing that's like bloody 10% and this is the flat spot. On my way home now, nice and rainy still, but got like 2 k's left. Every now and then there's like a big gust that sort of stops me in my tracks completely, but yeah, making progress. Getting home, we'll be home with a 3-hour ride nice and chill. Well, not too chill thanks to the steep climbs, but yeah, get home and then some nice recovery. Damn.